Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. First off, I want to acknowledge all of the viewers and new subscribers we've gotten this week. We've had a huge video that went out Monday night of a train derailment here in Mount Juliet, and it's quickly become the second biggest video in the history of the channel. About 280 plus videos are out there right now, so that's pretty big to have the second biggest one. That's only been up a few days, picked up a couple hundred new subscribers. So definitely want to welcome you all to the channel and appreciate you being here. This video is going to be very interesting as well. This is Q224. Caught this one on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. This is a view of it coming through Nashville National Cemetery. It was led up by two locomotives, 5376 and 162. That 162 being a YN2 paint scheme still. So the radio, you're not able to hear it as the train's passing us by here. I carry a small walkie-talkie size scanner in the vehicle, and so when the tripod's set up outside the vehicle, it makes it difficult to make out the radio. However, at some point here, I'm going to hear the dispatcher call out to this train and ask them if they can stop before they get to the Williams Avenue crossing. Williams Avenue is approximately about 1.33 miles or so from the location I'm standing at. The train's going to respond that they can slow down, but they certainly won't be able to stop. And there is a report of a man in the tracks at the Williams Avenue crossing. So pretty concerned about that. I wait for the train to finish passing. I then will make my way in the video up to Williams Avenue. By the time I got there, 224 was already passed, but Nashville Fire and Rescue had arrived on scene and are likely the ones that called in the report. They already had the person, loading them into an ambulance. The train did not come in contact with them. I believe they were having some sort of medical issue. So that resolved itself well, but you'll see the video of us driving up there and you'll see that fire and rescue squad. At that point, you will then hear on the radio, because we're filming with the iPhone in the vehicle, that 224 has gone into emergency less than 1.5 miles north of there. They're going to hit some power lines. They're going to take down a power pole that had fallen and fallen onto the tracks. And they're going to take out several hundred feet of power lines. So we're going to film all that, get some radio broadcast for you, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Dispatcher answer emergency transmission.
2415.
22415.
Yeah, there was some power lines or something that looked like a pole was filling over the straight across in front of our engine at 175.5. We hit them, they wrapped around in front of our engine, and we struggled for a little bit of way.
Alright, is it still connected, or you broke it off on each end, or what?
I think it finally broke off. I'm about 0.2 of a mile past it now. I think it finally broke off.
Alright, I'll go get that Louisville dispatcher to stop this 587 coming into Montford there. Let me know if you need somebody up there to help cut it out or what you need them.
Alright, I'm stopping now. We get stopped a little bit, but I think finally it just started unraveling and stuff, and everything inside of it started coming out. I think it's finally.
Alright, let me know if you need any help there, and if it's clearing the track or what, we'll go from there.
Also, let's go over that gentleman was walking north Nashville Lane on that number 1. He's wearing a dark shirt, carrying a tent or something that had tattoos on his face.
Okay, appreciate it. See dispatch Q22415.
22415.
What was the mile posted in power lines over?
175.5. I'm stopped at 175.1. Conductor's walking back here and take a look at it.
At 175.5, appreciate it.
right in front of my engine, and we drug them with us.
Yeah, but it's also ripped off the one. Oh man, it ripped the whole guts out of that. One of these big taller mass ones, big steel ones, steel poles. It's freaking.
That Will hollered, that's what we did. That's telling him.
We'll back a little further, see if anything's on the track. Drug it. Popped it off on these other poles, like I said, so it's probably a stretch of, I don't know, about 600-700 feet. Let me get 3-step chase.
Well, you got it. What you need to do?
We snapped the pole off in half.
It's back on the head end, you can proceed north.
No, all right. Yeah, I mean, I don't have very far to the signal from where I'm at anyway.
Okay, all right. Good. You can proceed when you get one.
No, all right. Appreciate it.
Dispatch to the Q224 66.
Hello, Shane.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I let him know what you said.
Come on down. I won't get to talk to the LB, get you a light here at Montford. Northbound on 2-track, hit some power lines at the 00175.5. He walked back there to look. He said they are clear of the tracks. Q224 on the Jason track on. CSX LB Jacksonville. See dispatcher to the Q587 17. That trespasser is now clear, so when 501 gets out of your way, you'll get signals going towards the E line today. I appreciate it.
Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.